Roadside Vendors Welfare Association Kwaramban Kaital has demanded the Manipur government to set up a proper town vending committee. The 23rd Foundation Day of Roadside Vendors Welfare Association was celebrated today at the Gandhi Memorial Hall in Imphal. During the function, Association President Ketrimayum Tama said the government should establish a vending committee in the interest of the Kwaramban roadside vendors. Bharat Biotech has released a fact sheet on the risks and benefits of the coronavirus vaccine Covaxin a few days after the nationwide vaccination drive was launched. Bharat Biotech's fact sheet has advised pregnant or breastfeeding women, besides people with high fever or bleeding disorders, not to take the vaccine, a media report said. India's coronavirus tally climbed to 1.05 crore with 10,064 fresh cases reported in the last 24 hours, the Union Health Ministry said today. The country also recorded 137 COVID-related deaths, taking the toll to 1,52,556. As of this morning, there are a total of 2,528 active COVID-19 cases, while 1.02 crore people have been discharged so far. 15 migrant laborers were killed after a truck ran over a group of 18 people sleeping on a footpath at Kimchar Rasta near Surat and Gujarat in the wee hours today. According to media reports, the victims, all of whom were daily laborers from Rajasthan's Banswara district, were sleeping on the footpath when a sugarcane-laden tractor crashed into another truck. The Prime Minister's office, PMO, took to Twitter to announce ex gratia of Rs 2 lakh each from PMNRF, Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, and Rs 50,000 to those injured. The Manipur police continued massive search operation ahead of the Republic Day celebrations 2021. As part of the preventive security measures being put in place, a team of Pormpot Police Station, including women police personnel, conducted cordon and search operation this morning at Mahabali Kabuikul in Imphal East. A team of Imphal West Commando, led by Inspector Hemchan under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operation Imphal West, also conducted house-to-house search operation at Haubam Marak Irom Lekai and Lorembam Lekai in Imphal West this morning. A team of Taubal Police Station, including women police personnel, also carried out a cordon and search operation at Charangpat Maning Lekai in Taubal District this morning. A district-level meeting to strengthen BJP organization in the hill districts of Manipur was held today at the mini indoor stadium in Tamenglong District Headquarter. BJP Tamenglong District and 3 district mandals organized a meeting wherein BJP Manipur in charge SAMBIT PATRA, Manipur and Nagaland in charge Abhav Kumar Giri, former MLA M. Borod, BJP Manipur General Secretary Organization Premananda, and other party leaders and workers were present at the meet. The Assam government has approved a plan prepared by the State Forest Department to rehabilitate 5,500 residents of Laika Dodia forest villages in DIBRU-SAIKHOWA National Park in degraded reserve forest areas in Tinsukia and Lakhimpur districts. According to a media report, a high-level meeting chaired by Forest Minister Parimal Suklabaidia today has decided to form a subcommittee headed by Revenue Minister Jogen Mohan to monitor the on-ground implementation of the project. India has officially decided to export COVID-19 vaccines to Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar and Nepal free of costs as a goodwill gesture. The decision was taken in a meeting held between officials from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. According to media reports, representatives from India's COVID-19 vaccine manufacturer Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute of India, SII, were also present. United States President-elect Joe Biden plans to quickly extend travel restrictions barring travel by most people who have recently been in much of Europe and Brazil soon after President Donald Trump lifted those requirements, effective January 26 last, a spokeswoman for Biden said. According to media reports, Donald Trump signed an order yesterday lifting the restrictions he imposed early last year in response to the pandemic. Soon after Trump's order was made public, Biden spokeswoman Jen Psaki tweeted, "On the advice of our medical team, the administration does not intend to lift these restrictions on January 26." RISHABH Pant today became the 7th Indian wicketkeeper batsman to reach the 1,000 Test runs mark. Pant reached the landmark during the final day of the 4th Test against Australia. According to media reports, the left-handed batsman started the match with 976 runs and he scored 23 runs in the first innings of the match. Just short of 1 run to reach the mark, Pant crossed the hurdle during the second innings.